In this video, you watch a segment taken from a much larger presentation where Patrick Mullamatter speaks about creating webinars, how to use them to get your message out, and how to monetize them for your business. Here, Patrick will tell you what technology you need for your webinar. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
What technology will you need to run an online webinar? You use an app like zoom.com, for example. There is plenty of information on their website how to run successful webinars using the app and user manuals. The app is completely free for webinar of maximum 40 minutes with maximum 100 users. Then you have different paid plans where you can run huge seminar with thousands of participants, different hosts, different speakers, each one in a different location, like you could do in a big university, or if you need to run an international seminar forum. What you need is a notebook. A modern notebook has already a camera, a microphone, a loudspeaker on it, and a screen that you can see the other people. So it's all you need to run it. Although I will advise to make sure you have a good quality camera in your notebook. If it's not the case, it's easy to buy an external HD camera, like for example the Logitech, for less than $100. If you're using the camera of your notebook, I will advise that you place your notebook in a position that the camera is facing you and not looking into your nostrils. Having an external microphone will also increase the quality of your sound. As I said, it works with your the hand-free of your notebook. You can also just take even the headset that you have, that you got with your mobile phone, that works also very well, or a small microphone like I am using here, that is very discreet and help a lot about the quality. There are also some microphone that you can place on your desk that works very well, and also not expensive to buy and make a huge difference about the quality of the sound. But all this is not obligatory. You can go straight forward with your notebook, choose a place where you have good light and a good background, and you're ready to go.
If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.